In front of me is POCO M3, and let me show you how to set up the default browser on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select apps right here, and go to system app settings. Then pick browser, and you can smoothly set it up as your default browser by using this switcher, just like this, and now it is a default browser. Obviously you can pick whichever browser you'd like to have as default, but all you need to do is to mark it and then tap on default. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can set up a default browser in your POCO M3. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.